David Johnson is no more. David Johnson passes away at the age of 52. David Johnson, the former international cricketer and right-arm fast bowler from Karnataka, has passed away in Bengaluru. He was 52 years old. He had represented India in international cricket during the mid-90s. News coming in that the former Indian cricketer David Johnson is no more. My colleague Siddharth is joining us with the details. Siddharth, what do we know?
The circumstances around David Johnson's death are still to be ascertained, Pratibha, but tributes have already been pouring in from different members of the cricketing fraternity. Let me just take you through what Anil Kumble has said, former India captain and somebody who also played alongside David Johnson, representing the Karnataka team in the Ranji Trophy as well. He said, saddened to hear the passing of my cricketing colleague David Johnson. Heartfelt condolences to his family, gone too soon, Benny, as he was known. Jai Shah as well has responded. The chief of the BCCI, he said the deepest condolences to family and friends of former Indian fast bowler David Johnson. His contributions to the game will always be remembered. David Johnson, in fact, made his test debut, Pratibha, against Australia in the year 1996 in the Border Gavaskar Trophy. He picked up a few wickets as well. Subsequently, he toured as part of the Indian squad to South Africa as well and played a test match there. He's been a veteran for the Karnataka Ranji Trophy team as well and has been involved with them in several coaching capacities. We'll of course await more information about the circumstances in which he tragically passed away.
Okay, in fact, Johnson was one of the fastest Indian bowlers. He has played on the Indian side as well. Siddharth, thank you for joining us. We have Karishma joining us with the details. Karishma, condolences have been pouring in, several cricketers taking to social media to offer their condolences. What is the information that we have on what happened to the cricketer? All right, we'll try and reconnect that line. But before I go to Karishma, I remember Johnson was one of the fastest Indian bowlers. His performance in the domestic circuit was also well known. His domestic career spanned 39 first-class matches, with which he had taken 125 wickets. He had also picked up 4 5-4s and 10-4 as well. Karishma is back with us. Karishma, condolences have started pouring in. What do we know about the circumstances around which Johnson was found dead?
Well, yes, what we're given to understand is, as per his wife, that he tripped from the balcony and fell from his residence, from his balcony, and that is how he has died. He has passed away. Remember, he played 2 test matches for the Indian team back in 1996. He is, of course, a former India cricketer as well, and he has passed away. Very unfortunate news coming in, and there have been condolences that have been pouring in. There is Anil Kumble who has taken to social media and spoken about how it's sad, and how he's referring to him as Benny and saying that gone too soon. So obviously a big loss. Jai Shah, also the BCCI secretary, tweeting about his death and saying condolences to the families. Of course, a huge loss, and condolences to the family, of course, but a very unfortunate incident in which, as per his wife Aurelia, he has passed away after tripping from his balcony.
Okay, all right. Karishma, just going back and looking at his career, he was one of the fastest bowlers. He was known for clocking a bowling speed of over 157 km per hour.
Well, yes, absolutely. Like I said, back in 1996, he did play 2 test matches for the India team as well. So obviously lived in Bangalore. Anil Kumble talking about his demise, giving his condolences to the family, and talking about his beloved Benny. A lot of senior journalists also talking about David Johnson's death, who had covered his career back in the day when he was playing for Team India. It is, of course, going way back in time. Okay. We are talking about 1996, but today he was 52 years old when he passed away after a very unfortunate incident at his residence.
Okay, and condolences have started pouring in. Siddharth is also joining us, not just Anil Kumble, but there are also other cricketers who are taking to social media to express their shock.
Pratibha, here's a message that's come out from Gautam Gambhir as well. He said, saddened by the passing away of David Johnson, may God give strength to his family and loved ones. What really stood David Johnson apart, if one remembers the test debut that he was part of in 1996, he has a round arm bowling action, was extremely fast. His first cricketing victim, the batsman that he got out, his debut wicket was that of Michael Slater, who was caught in the slips by Mohammad Azharuddin, who was in fact playing for India at that point in time. Sachin Tendulkar was the captain of the Indian team, and it was a one-handed catch at slip, for those who remember, of a wide ball that Michael Slater had edged to first slip. So that was his first debut wicket and his very first touch in the inaugural test match of the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Unfortunately, he's now no more. More tributes will, of course, keep pouring in. We'll await some more details, Pratibha, more importantly, about the circumstances in which he passed away.
Well, thank you, Siddharth, for that. And this and many others will be the fond memories that his fans and family will, of course, hold on to. He leaves behind a legacy. Thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break now. We'll be right back.